in Miss Maria kania political science teacher kania voin hian fundamental duties in kan randona fundamental rights kan soi zo chia enge fundamental duties ani ilongai thaleang u. The fundamental duties in the Constitution serve as a reminder to the citizens that while enjoying their rights, should also be conscious of their duties towards the country. Fundamental duties is a codification of tasks integral to the Indian way of life. Tiania kita inzia kikatiar zautia nia enge fundamental duties. Chu kan ti chuan fundamental rights kan nei to a chanvo rights fundamental duties ero chu India khwale tui kan ni na ngin kan country omna kan ram omna duty ti tur chi sang sang kan nei ve a enge chung te chu kan endon ani. These have been added by the 42nd Amendment in 1976 as a new part to the Constitution, Part 4A, fundamental duties hi 1976 ma chuan kan Constitution a alom lawa 1976 a khan 42nd Amendment Constitution siam thatna voi somli panina a oma ta chuan Part 4A angin fundamental duties hi bel ani. In 1976, the fundamental duties of citizens were added by the 42nd Amendment Act. On the recommendation of Swaran Singh Committee, Justice Verma Committee recommended incorporating fundamental duties in higher and professional education la intia takhian zone tam taka om thayani. Fundamental duties hi engtika nge kan Constitution an bel 1976 sa by 42nd Amendment engpa ta nge om Part 4A a two recommendation in nge Anbel Swaran Singh Committee recommendation in Anbelani. Justice Verma Committee khan enge recommend fundamental duties hi higher le professional education zirlai buah tel ani a recommend chu. Fundamental duties hi eng tingeni. Point number 1 a chuan to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem a India. Constitution dan zoma respect its ideals a India. Respect national flag le national anthem po respect. Point number 1 a chuan ania. Point B, to cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspired our national freedom struggle. Hita khian noble ideas anti khichu non-violence anitlang puya kan freedom struggle ina noble ideas alo nei kha kan cherish kan follow chunzom zel kha kan duty pakhat chu ni kan fundamental duty pakhat chu. C, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Khichu explain po ngai lo enge sovereignty, unity and integrity of India chu class masalama khan ke explain to a. D, to defend the country and render national service. And India defend the country and render national service to enge Indo amo buailain kanram hum hima national service kan ti ve hi India khwa le tui kan ni chuan kan fundamental duty kan duty ve kan ram laka kan duty ve kan ti tur ani a India ni. To develop a scientific temper, humanism and spirit of inquiry and reform. To safeguard public property and to abjure violence. Public property khi public thil ti chiat lo te Mizoram a chuan kan ching em a azun in te po kong siran sa hing lutuk ramdang ami lo zin se inthiar na tlak lo hanzinila kong laka zun chhuakila an zun in siam ve po kong khar nei lo ziaran nei noi khatiang hlir khania public property ti chena sa chu kan ni ang mizo hi pakhata chuan safeguard public property hi kan duty ania khi chu kan bo chha adot lea chuan to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels for endeavor and achievement in India. Kan thil ti apya nga individual in kan ti emo collective in kan ti emo kan excel turani achievement kan nei theinan endeavor for achievement. Adot lea chuan directive principles of state policy kan in le anga part 4 article 36 to 52 of the constitution deals with directive principles of the state policy. These principles command the state and every one of its agencies to follow certain fundamental principles while framing policies. Policy and frame don re rengin principle then khat how to ten le state in and follow ngei tur a omtani khang and follow tur kha directive principles of state policy noya Indian constitution in azia ka khoi pa ta nge om part 4 article 36 to 52. The directive principles of state policy are enumerated in part 4 of the constitution from articles 36 to 51 na India 36 to 51 ki adik zok 36 to 52 ni lo khian ni china khan ka soi swala 36 to 52 ti khi in zia swala nia 36 to 51 khi dik zoka zona ron chwapon. The directive principles of state policy are enumerated in which part 4 of the constitution from which articles 36 to 51. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar described these principles as novel features of the constitution. The directive principles of a state policy along with fundamental rights contain the philosophy of the constitution and is the soul of the constitution. It is based on socialistic principles and Gandhian principles, and they promote social and economic democracy. They embody the concept of welfare state. These are fundamental in the governance of the country. They are non-justiciable. They apply to both the union and the state governments and all other authorities coming under the definition of the state in Tiani. Takyanin zona tam takron kal thaya oma. Dr. B.R. Ambedkaran enge novel features of the constitution ati chu directive principles of the state policy. The directive principles of the state policy, along with fundamental rights, contain the philosophy of the Constitution and is the soul of the Constitution. What is called as the soul of the Constitution? Directive principles of a state policy along with fundamental rights. Directive principles of the state policy is based on what? Socialistic principles and Gandhian principles. Directive principles of a state policy embodies what? Welfare state. Is the directive principles of a state policy justiciable? They are non-justiciable. Khang kha zona om thei te chu ni. Article 42. To make provision for just and humane conditions for work and maternity relief. Humane conditions for work chu salang me in chorin ti du dalote maternity relief chu nu in now nei dona relief pack entirnan maternity leave te. Article 43. To secure a living wage, a decent standard of life and social and cultural opportunities for all workers. Hi chu explain po ngai lawa. In siar kyan in shemeyanga. To take steps to secure the participation of workers in the management of industries. Article 47. Aum le de ni 45 le 46 aum lawa. 47 kyan nge soi. To raise the level of nutrition and standard of living of people and improve public health. Khang ho kha article poimo fund directive principles sa article poimo azwal Gandhian principles sa mo socialistic principles nuaya telvela wania tuna hian Gandhian principles nuaya enge kanti chuan article 40 khi masabera oma to organize village panchayat to function as units of self-government. Panchayat chungchang po khi kan soi to municipal corporation le panchayat block level an din ti class masa khan kan soi to article 43 khi enge ni to promote the educational and economic interest of SC, STs and other weaker sections. Hi po khi tu na kan mang me ka kan nei me ka economic interest of SC, ST quota zirna lama ni emo talama po quota kan nei thina ni. Article 47 khi enge kan ti chuan to prohibit the consumption of intoxicating drinks and drugs. Intoxicating drinks and drugs khi thian ti thiang lawanita prohibit turan ni sorkarin phallo tur ani ti ain ziak chiang renga directive principle sa khan eng state sarkar le central sarkar mai na phallawang tu wangin zuzuar te drugs zuar te po an manzel ani. Article 48 to prohibit the slaughter of cows hei hi directive principle sa oma central India chuan an ki zen lawani buong te hian ngai hlua an tal ngai lo amaro chu Mizoram le Muslim ram then khata chuan kan lati ani state sarkar ina a prohibit lo kha apoi mo ani. Liberal and intellectual principles noya kyan article 44 to secure for all citizens a uniform civil code throughout the country. Uniform civil code. India rampung puya civil code uniform tak in khair shan na nilaw kan nei turani. Article 45 ki to provide early childhood care and education for all children until they complete the age of 6 years. Early childhood care and education for all children. Mani Khan kan soi to a. Article 21A kha right to education ania ta khichuan Article 45 a khichuan early childhood care and education for all children until they complete the age of 6 years. Heng hi Article 44 in enge soi Article 45 in enge soi ti kil ke lang chuan aron chuak ngai lawa ma se enge liberal intellectual principles noya enge Gandhian principles noya directive principles of state policy hi enge tite apoi mozwal boka nang manin inne nang apoi mozwal chu in shetura kangaya. Article 48 ki to organize agriculture and animal husbandry on modern and scientific lines in India. Agriculture and animal husbandry po modern de scientific de wakalpui turani state zong in. Article 48A to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard forest and wildlife. Hiki to explain po ngai lawa in siya nga annex ta enge kan en liang. Article 49 to protect objects, places and monuments of historic interest and national importance sa Indiani. Hiki historic interest, monuments of historic interest and national importance. Man lai pipu te sak monuments of historic interest to Taj Mahal te, Kutub Minar te, Khangho te. Mizoram chuan historic interest le national importance monuments to Champhai district ta khian lai swa ani to a. Heritage, culture and heritage lama mithiam te anon kalan ron endik to a chu ba ka Aizol DC building ki protect lat turan tia hi DC thut na main building ki man lai sap sakan hi wangin historic interest building ani. Article 50 to separate the judiciary from executive in public services of the state. Judiciary le executive hi omdun turan ni lo separate turan intia kan separate re ani. Executive chu tu tenge chief minister te governor te khatyang kan ram ho tulu judiciary chu court kan dan lama mithiam te khang kha ain separate thapa an thok dun lo ani kan mithiam te kan minister te kan chief minister ten dan chunga thun ba nei lo hi chu ka explain to. Article 51 ki enge to promote international peace and security. International peace and security hi promote tlat tur ani. Mi ram vati buai zong le varun vaswam zong a omlo tur ani. Tikhan directive principles of state policy chu azova constitutional amendments hi voiza le pali constitution hi siam thata amend ta ni to a ma se khang zinga khan poimo zwal a omani a poimo zwal te chu eng tenge kan enang. The 42nd Amendment 1976 provided supremacy to the Parliament and gave primacy to the directive principles over the fundamental rights. It also added 10 fundamental duties. 42nd Amendment takyan fundamental duties. I add kanti to ka fundamental duties ka soilai khan. The preamble of the Constitution was altered from Sovereign Democratic Republic. Preamble poka 1976 42nd Amendment kya na altera 1976 a khan kan constitution khana satakin siam that ania engtin nge alter to read sovereign socialist secular democratic republic ti ani and unity of the nation to unity and integrity of the nation sovereign democratic republic ti ringot lo khan sovereign socialist secular democratic republic ka athaka unity of the nation ti ringot lovin unity and integrity of the nation ti athaka 42nd amendment thi apoi mo ema enge ti fundamental duties sa ata preamble asoi dang lamboka 42nd amendment is all called mini constitution and amendment which amendment is called mini constitution 42nd amendment which amendment altered the preamble 42nd amendment which amendment added fundamental duties 42nd amendment adod le chuan 73rd amendment ki poi mo le a the 73rd amendment 1992 bracket panchayati raj bill seeks to provide among the things gram sabha in villages constitution of panchayats at the village and other levels direct election to all seats in panchayats and reservation of seats for SC ST and fixing the tenure of 5 years for panchayats 73rd amendment 1992 kyan panchayati raj bill aron chhop chhuaka chu chuan ange gram sabha village gram sabha te direct election to all seats in panchayat te reservation of seats for SC ST te fixing of tenure of 5 years for panchayats te aron chhop chhuak ani khang kha 73rd amendment ron ti chu ani aron ti akhi ngai poi mo tur 74th amendment 1993 nagar palika bill india it provides for among other things constitution of 3 types of municipalities and reservation of seats in every municipality for SC ST women and OBC 74th amendment 1993 khyan municipalities le reservation of seats for SC ST women and OBC aron chhop chhuak bokani 88th amendment 2000 khyan angeti provides for alternative tax sharing scheme between the union and the state governments as per recommendations of the 10th Finance Commission. Henceforth, 26% of the total union tax and duties would be assigned to the state governments. 88th Amendment 2000 kyan tax sharing scheme central le state aron ti chhuaka two recommendation nge ron ti chwa 10 Finance Commission recommendation in engtin nge anti 26% of the union tax 26% to state government an hlanang ti ani khi amendment an siam that chu ni a state government te kan hlok pha ni 88th amendment wang khian adot le 84th amendment act 2001 states the number of representatives in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies were to freeze to the current levels for the next 25 years till 2026 2001 amendment an siama khian Lok Sabha kan representative nei le state assembly kan representative nei za chu angai rengin umsom ni pangachung akalanga 2026 a siam dang lamani ang antia ta khian representative Lok Sabha mi le state assembly mi hi emtikangen siam dang lang don ti chu 2026 a eng mangin nge 84th amendment act mangin 2026 ani ma chuan Lok Sabha kan MP pakhat kan nei renga 2026 nuan siam dang lam chuan enge pani te po kan nei to me theya thiat lawa kan state assembly exam nge MLA om thei somdi kha 2026 ma chuan angai renga nga 2026 nu khian somruka po an thak ma na kha chu hria ta ni lo 86 Amendment 2002 deals with insertion of new Article 21A after Article 21. Nichina Khan Kasoito Article 21A deals with right to education. The state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children from the age of 6 to 14 years. Hey, hi chu fundamental rights ha po khan inzir to Article 21A khi angin nge Constitutional ronda kanti chuan 86 Amendment 2002 in 91st Amendment 2003 provides for amendment of Article 75. 91st Amendment khian ange siam that Article 75 total number of ministers including the Prime Minister in the Council of Ministers shall not exceed 15% of the total numbers of members of the House of the People. 91st Amendment ta khichuan Minister, Prime Minister tiamin Council of Ministers yan. House of the People a member zat 15% item an nilaw turani. Di na ron siyam thani. 93rd Amendment 2005. It came into effect on 28 January 2006, provided for special provision by law for the advancement of any socially and educationally backward classes of citizens or for the SC/STs insofar as such special provisions relate to admission to educational institutions including private educational institutions. A language khi abwai nuai ni SC/ST socially educationally backward class of citizens te educational institutions re private amo public educational institution apo special provision khian by law for the advancement of any socially and educationally backward classes of citizens. Special provisions relate to their admission to educational institutions. Educational institution special provision an nei turani entirnan SC quota te ST quota te khatiang quota special provision kha an peturani ti ani 101 Amendment Act khi angeni hei hi poimo hle khi min hu khian constitutional amendment ala om le lawa 101 Amendment Act khi chu introduction of goods and services tax antia GST tuna hian restaurant ta po cholila in po sadonila raw material po neila GST kan peve kani kan GST chuan kan tax pek tur khatle minna tisanga man laya kan tax pek thin value added tax VAT aron replace ani GST replace what value added tax 101 Amendment Act deals with introduction of goods and services tax India nang mani pon thoi huna po kalula restaurant ta te po thil e ula thil leibok ula in thil lei total ba ka khan GST and chut te langa kha 101st Amendment ta aron introduce ni